And 5.7 Hemi. We already knew that part, right? Love these engines. Couple known issues with them, but they minor, guys. I mean, for the most part. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, this is what I mean by visual, guys. We're dealing with an overheating issue and look at the heart and soul, or part of the heart and soul of the overheating system, namely the radiator. Radiator has to be working in full in order to prevent overheating. So right off the bat, I see a visual problem right now, guys, and that is radiator leaking. Now, whoa, what the hell? See signs of coolant at this cylinder head, guys? Or is that just rust? I mean, that kind of look, that's liquid right there. So that's my radiator leaking, but did that rust spill over to here? Did I have a radiator leak big enough to spew coolant over there? Now it appears to be leaking from there, or do I actually have a leak from right there? These are important questions, guys. I'll tell you what, let me take a break. I'm gonna get this truck in the air and we're gonna look underneath. All right, so I want you guys to come along with me, man. Y'all hang tight, hold tight. I will be right back. Alrighty, guys, we're going in the air with this Ram 1500 simply because, whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, guys, there is a lot going on here. How in the world coolant making it back here, guys? Okay, something. Hold tight. Is that water pump leaking that bad? Alright, guys, this is one. Yes, it's obvious the radiator leaking. And there's obviously something in the rear is also leaking. So it's obviously the cause of the overheating is because of lack of coolant, guys. And look at the color of this. See, that's why, guys, flushing your cooling system is important, guys. I don't know. I think this car had 120, almost 200,000 miles. They never have flushed their cooling system. That's probably why this coolant looking like this. Okay, coolant back here is not coming from the radiator. So you obviously have two leaks, which will mask my coolant pressure tester reading, right? Remember, guys, when you pressurize the system, the leak's going to come out the weakest point. What if this is the weakest point, the radiator? Okay, you will not see drips from whatever it is leaking in this area, but I have no choice. I have to try it. One thing that's in this area is the water pump, but I'm about to pressurize the system, guys. All right, so look at this ZF 8-speed rear-wheel drive transmission, 980 HP 70, I want to say. Guys, let me grab my pressure tester. We're going to pressurize this system. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, guys, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to fill the coolant system up, and I'm going to pressurize it using my coolant pressure gauge. All right, because remember what the goal is. We have to pressurize the system to find out what it leaks at. All right, whoa, whoa. Oh, man, guys, see, y'all see that? I might make this my thumbnail, guys. You have to, from time to time, guys, flush the radiator out and do a cooling system service. All right, or it would look like this. Okay. I don't know. All right, maintenance, guys. Maintenance helps and goes a long way. Just imagine all the lubrication purities are out of this coolant over time. It leaves, so now your system has no way of being lubricated. And hard parts, such as water pumps, can fail because of it. All right. So like I say, I'm just going to fill this up and pressurize it, guys. So, hold tight. Wow, this had none in it, obviously. I just took a whole gallon of water. I'm adding water because coolant is not important, especially I'm going to recommend a radiator. Wow, guys. Either that or this thing is leaking as I pour it. Let's see. Nope, that's not the case. So, Let me pressurize it with this gallon install and see what happens. All right, guys, I'm having physical oil leaks. Just what I needed to see. It is coming out. Let's find out where it's coming from. At least in this area. Whoa, where is that coming from? Uh-oh. Can you say, what, water pump maybe? Well, guys, I can't tell. What y'all think? Water pump repo? The water pump is up higher, so it's coming. Alright, let me see if I can get a better view. This is a terrible view because it's just showing the results of the leak, where the leak's at. And where is it coming from? It's a different story. Guys, I want to say water pump or the timing chain cover. I might have to remove the whole complete cover, guys. Yes, because there's O-ring seals. There's seals inside this cover that also see if we can get a better view from the top. So what I'm gonna do is fill this thing back up. That fluid started coming out from the bottom right after I filled the radiator up. So that makes it easy to find, you would hope, right? But no, I'm still having a hard time seeing exactly where the leak coming from. So I'm gonna take a look up top. Remember, guys, diagnostics start up top with any kind of leaks. You want to go to the highest point, all right? So is it coming down like before? Let's see. Oh man, I don't see it now. Let's see. I might have to put some pressure on it. All right, let me pump it up. Pump it up and see if I can see okay, I had to pump it up. Earlier it was coming out right when I filled it up. All right, fast as I pump it up, the pressure go down. Oh, where's that same leak? Okay, yeah, you can see it. Just can't see it from the top where it's coming from. God, I want to see this. It's behind this cover, guys. Yes, you can see some of the dripping down on the bottom. Yes. The water pump is right here. I'm not sure what a weep hole is, but the cover got to come off. It's as simple as that. Alright. So let me go sell some what we call tear down time. I have to remove the cover and see if I can physically, or see if I can visually see the source of the leak. I'm already, yes, the radiator is leaking, but I got a leak here also. All right, and guys, this, when you don't service your cooling system, guys, this is what can happen. The rusty radiator fluid can start chewing away at things, eating away at things. I could have a failed heater coil. I could have, you just don't know. So all you can do is replace the visual thing that's leaking and hope you know that's all that there is. But this stuff can pretty much contaminate everything in the cooling system. All right, so let me write up an estimate, guys, and I'll get back with y'all, let y'all know if they buy it or not. I'll open the camera back up. All right, that's for now. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.